Are you a fan of Caribbean cuisine but living in a cooler climate like Pennsylvania? Good news, you can still grow a variety of Caribbean vegetables right here in USDA Zone 7A. In this video, I'll walk you through a complete planting calendar, growing conditions, and the best tips to maximize your harvest. Growing Caribbean vegetables in Pennsylvania, Zone 7A, Step-by-Step Guide. Many Caribbean vegetables thrive in hot, humid climates, but with the right techniques, we can successfully grow them in Pennsylvania. Here are the best options. Easier to grow, warm season annuals and perennials. Callaloo, amaranth, a fast-growing leafy green. Scotch bonnet peppers, a staple in Caribbean dishes. Jamaican sorrel, Hibiscus sabdarifa, perfect for teas and juices. Pigeon peas, protein-rich legume. Okra loves the summer heat, needs extra heat or season extension. Yuca, cassava, starchy root crop. Malanga, taro, used in soups and stews. Yampi, Dioscorea trifida, tropical yam variety. Coyote, vining squash. Boniato, Caribbean sweet potato, a drier, sweeter potato. Let's break down the growing requirements for each plant so you can get the best results. Callaloo, also known as amaranth, needs full sun for 6 to 8 hours. It thrives in temperatures between 70 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. The soil should be well-draining and rich in organic matter with a pH of 6 to 7. For fertilization, use compost and a nitrogen-rich feed every 2 weeks, and you'll see it mature in about 30 to 50 days. Scotch bonnet peppers require full sun for over 8 hours. They prefer temperatures from 75 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. The soil should be well-draining with a pH of 5.8 to 6.8. Start with a balanced fertilizer like 10-10-10, then switch to a phosphorus-rich fertilizer at flowering. These peppers take about 90 to 120 days to mature. Timing is key for a successful harvest. Here's when to start, transplant, and harvest your crops. In February to March, start your seeds indoors. Begin 8 to 12 weeks before the last frost for plants like Scotch bonnet peppers, Jamaican sorrel, coyote, pigeon peas, malanga, and yampi. From April to May, it's time to transplant and direct sow. Transplant heat-loving crops like Scotch bonnet, Jamaican sorrel, and coyote once nights stay above 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Direct sow warm-weather crops like Callaloo, Okra, and Boniato once the soil reaches 65 degrees Fahrenheit. June to July is the peak growing season. Harvest Callaloo and Okra regularly. Mulch to retain moisture and heat. In August to September, focus on late harvest and frost protection. Harvest root crops before frost hits. Use row covers for Scotch bonnet and pigeon peas. From October to November, move tropical plants indoors for overwintering and store harvested roots in a cool, dry place. Here are some extra tips to ensure success. Start seeds indoors early to give tropical plants enough time. Use raised beds and containers for warmer soil. Black plastic mulch helps retain heat for root crops. Row covers and greenhouses extend the growing season. Nothing beats the taste of homegrown Caribbean vegetables. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below on what you're growing this season.